These are the North Core elevators at the Tampa International Airport in Tampa, Florida. These are pretty much identical to the South Core elevators. So we're just gonna ride one.
Elevator is going up.
Let's go 4. There's your directory. Schindler HT vandal resistant fixtures.
Floor 4.
Here we go, 4. Let's go 1.
Elevator is going down.
You can see the escalators out there. There's your certificate. And here's your cab view. It's the same cabs as the South Core elevators. Same cabs as a lot of the elevators in this airport, actually.
Floor 1. Lobby.
We're at the lobby 1.
Elevator is going up.
We're gonna end it up at 4. The indicator isn't actually flashing like that. That's just how it comes out of my camera.
4.
Alright, there it goes. And that'll be it.